Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV, down here at the Dungeon SHOT Show 2025. Hold my little hand, walk me through it.
All right, let's start at the very beginning, right? So it's obviously an FCU. Unlike a lot of the guys out there, we are truly open source. We are not locking you into any proprietary parts. It takes GLOCK 19 Gen 3 parts. So if you like your Apex or your other trigger brands, use it with this. Comes with the pin set as the stripped FCU at a $199 price point. You can get a, well, if I can do that right, you can get a populated one from us for $250. Drops into the grip module. If I can find the hole, always a problem.
That's what she said.
Yep. Got a rear pin, front pin to lock her in. Add a G19 Gen 3 slide of your choice. Now you got a pistol. But let's say you want to play around with something more fun, right? Take it down, knock your pins out, drop it in something like a PDW. Now one of the things we did, because we come from the builder community, is we have the STL files for the 3D print guys online. No charge, anything like that. You download the grip module. You can print that on your printer, make changes, do whatever you want, put your anime teddies on it.
I'm listening.
I have your attention. Excellent. So then we have the PDW online as well. You can download that, and it's all GLOCK 19 Gen 3 parts like we just showed you. We're going to have a spring trap in here. We'll have the bill of materials as well if you want to build one. Why we're here with Matador is they're doing complete pistols. So this is their grip module. They're going to have their slide by NRA. Their retail on their pistol will be $550. We're finishing out the concept for the injection mold. It's going to be a lot cleaner than this hammered dog shit, OD green, and all that. And we'll have pricing on that. But they will sell the PDW a la carte. We talked about selling a pistol paired with the PDW module as a combo pack. So you can just get everything you want in one go. But if you want to make it, we got you covered with the STLs.
Why would I want to buy this, say, when I could just maybe, not that I would, because I don't know shit about it, I could just 3D print something or whatever, 3D print all the shit that I want. So why would I get invested in this kind of ecosystem?
Yeah, so I know there's a lot of 3D print designs out there of a G19 Gen 3 frame with like two different pinned-in rails. And one of the problems the builders have is keeping that rail alignment good. Anybody that's built one knows that there's always some troubleshooting. This is a monolithic system, so the rails are in permanent alignment. We've shot it with an 0702 with a full auto switch. No problems at all, ran like a damn sewing machine. It was a great experience.
Okay, so essentially I'm buying this to just cut like a step out of the most perhaps difficult step of the process of doing it myself, and I get this and I could drop it into whatever. I can print whatever I want around it. It will work with what frames? With Matador frames or
any of them. So Matador is going to do kind of the more bespoke line of like good ergonomics, all that stuff, turnkey packages. We're kind of on the G100.net side, focusing on the builder guys. Like, all right, here's your AR-15 lower pistols. It's open source. Do whatever you want with it. Show me something I haven't seen before. Have fun with it. That's kind of our angle.
So if I title this video, what is the catchy title? What is this to get someone to click on this to say I'm interested?
I mean, my immediate reaction would be anime titty Glock, because that's what everybody really wants in the DIY builder space.
All right, that'll be the thumbnail.
There you go. And then again, like, we don't know what we don't know. So it's like we give you this core piece, and I want to see what you do with it. We're going to have a whole file library on G100.net. So send us what you come up with. We'll put it up.
Steven, thank you so much for walking me through. Sorry I was so difficult. Thank you for keeping me safe here in the dungeon. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more on TFBTV from SHOT Show 2025.